In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make $1,000 per month with the Nutshell affiliate program. And I'm also going to be giving you 2 free strategies at the end of this video on how you can promote this affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs completely for free. Let's go ahead and get started. And if you don't know what Nutshell is, it is one of the top CRM companies out there. It allows you to handle your sales, marketing, and engagement all in one platform. It has all the features you look for in a CRM, such as email automation, pipeline management, contact management, sales automation, calendar syncing, collaborating with teams, marketing automation, and it even has many different AI features, such as timeline summarization. It can also summarize your Zoom calls, take notes, compose emails. It even has an AI writing assistant. It can also automatically create a profile of a company or a person and get all their social media handles and much more. And they even have AI agents that will pull context from your CRM data to deliver ready-to-use answers. Nutshell also integrates with many platforms such as Google Suite, Dropbox, Zapier, QuickBooks, Microsoft 365, Slack. You name it, they probably have it. They also have an amazing affiliate program that pays 20% reoccurring commission for 1 year. The cookie length is 30 days. It's on the Partner Stack affiliate network, and you can get paid out via PayPal, Stripe, or wire transfer. And here's an earning chart so you can see how much money you'll make as an affiliate. This is based on 1 customer per month on the average sale price. And by the end of the year, you'll be making almost $200 per month. And that is just referring 1 customer per month. So if you refer 5 to 6 customers per month, you'll be making around $1,000 on average by the end of the year. So that's absolutely amazing. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. Just click the link down below and then click this Apply Today button. And then if you're not already signed up with Partner Stack, you can just fill out this 1-minute application. Otherwise, you can find Nutshell in the Partner Stack marketplace. One way to make money with this affiliate program is to create videos on YouTube, promoting the CRM, reviewing the CRM, and also doing tutorials. Another way to make money with the Nutshell affiliate program is to write blog posts like this and then add a link in the blog post. And then when people click it, you will get a commission when they purchase a plan. If you want to find more affiliate programs, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch. If you have any questions about the Nutshell affiliate program, leave it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.
Everybody just do your thing. Wake up.